But you gotta like turn it on. Gracie's gonna play with my car. Or well, your car. Or is it my car? I keep saying your car. But
how do you turn my car?
My car.
Oh my god.
Anyway.
How do you turn it on?
We're fighting right now, but you know, whatever. I'll just record something for you anyway, because I love you oh so much. Okay, you gotta flip it over.
Oh. Alright.
Okay.
You brought this all the way over here?
Dude, I carried. I had carried that shit.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Back, oh, how do you back up?
I think you. No, push the. Make it go for. There you go. And Grace is having fun. Okay, get it out of the kitchen.
Oh. How come it's doing that?
I think it's because I need to charge the battery. So we probably should charge it. Because, yeah, I totally need to charge it.
Yeah, you need to change it.
Because you're initially supposed to like charge it when you take it out of the box, but I didn't do that. I just took it out of the box. Okay, that's enough. We'll play with it next time.